Hello, you guys. Welcome to week 20 of Tuesdays in the Attic. Yes, this is going late up. I decided I've been playing with this Simple Stories birthday blast for my Stash Smash Saturday lately. I smashed all the paper, or the collection essentially. There's just so many embellishments left over. And these two photos are of something my son got for his birthday. And I was doing a lot of his first birthday with that collection. So I figured I would just keep doing that. But then I dug in my stash for some fun things. This is from my How to Kill a Kit with Style from last month. This is a lovely Allie Edwards paper. My new quarterly kit is on its way. So I figured I would try to use up some more of the kit that I got first. So I grabbed that, and then I was like, I need a pattern paper that's subtle but colorful to go with it for this sketch. So I went through and I dug in my stash, and I totally forgot about this paper pad, and it's almost gone. So I'm going to try to work on using it up, because it's one of those where this side is kind of like elaborate. It has metallics in it. It's like, is it handmade paper? I don't think so. But it's a Kate and Company paper pad from 2009. It's all specialty papers. So, like, this one has metallic. This one, there's one that's like 3D. There's just a lot of fun papers. But the B-sides are relatively neutral. Yeah, this one is embossed 3D. Embossed, listen to me, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But then there's a lot that have like a metallic feature. And so I figured, well, I was digging through my stash trying to find a paper that would go with this rainbow. And these B-sides are like spot on for color. So I'm going to go ahead and pick which one I want. Trim my photos down. I'm going to use this branding strip as that strip in the sketch. And yeah, so let me do that, and we'll go from there, and we'll figure out what we want to do with embellishments. Okay guys, I have actually ended up using all 3 of those papers that I had picked out. So I did like a torn edge with the green, stuck that there, used the blue as the background, and then did the square with the orange. And I really like that because it's bringing those colors from the rainbow kind of over here. So I matted my photos in black, and then I was just looking through my supplies, my other things, and trying to figure out what I want in my title, because the title's going to go here. And I thought maybe about just doing happy boy, but the way this boy is, I don't know. Because I want it to nestle well, and I don't know if it will. But I could, because I thought about doing happy in these. Oh, that might, I think it'll fit. Okay, I'm going to leave that open. And then we need like embellishment here, and then a bunch of stuff there is kind of plain. So I'm going to get one of these. I'm going to get these out, because these are going to be kind of the base of my cluster here and the cluster up there. And then I'll kind of rummage through my collections and see what else we got. Or do I just do this? Happy Day. It's my title. It's not very big. I kind of like the idea of using 2 different fonts though. Yeah. I don't necessarily need the birthday cake, so I'm just kind of going to use that as a color. Ooh, or do I want this one? Because then this one says Little Boy Big Day. That might be kind of cool instead. Extend that out a little, maybe. A little orange behind it. And I feel like we need a little blue behind it too. This is a really good card sentiment, actually. Yeah. I don't want to use the stars either. All right, I'm going to futz around a little bit more and see what I can come up with. I will be back. Okay, so I ended up not grabbing anything else from my stash. There's plenty of things in these sticker books usually. So I went ahead and just found some more balloons, sprinkled them around, added a few foam hearts, and added a few enamel dots, and just kept going and layering up just to make all that colorful. It's almost like it's bursting. And I glued everything down. So then now I'm probably just going to do a little jaunt of journaling. I think just along this line. I'm hoping that's all I need. I don't think I'm going to need very much room. But yeah, and I still have all these embellishments for birthday parties or you name it. It can be any kind of party, really. And some of the other things can be for not parties. So yeah, birthday stuff like crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and journal right here a little bit and I'm going to leave you to it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize if you guys are expecting this. We're expecting this and it came up late, but you know, sometimes you do just need a break. So luckily enough, I had, these are my own series, so it's only me I'm holding accountable. But yeah, once again, I appreciate you and hopefully this will start happening less often. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.